What if the weight loss supplement being heavily promoted online isn't as revolutionary as the ads claim? SlimPic has been gaining attention with promises of rapid fat burning, appetite control, increased metabolism, and effortless weight loss. Many advertisements present a dramatic story about a secret weight loss method before revealing SlimPic as the solution, creating the impression that it offers something completely new. However, a closer look raises several important questions. The formula appears to rely on common supplement ingredients that are widely used throughout the weight loss industry rather than any unique scientific breakthrough. While some ingredients found in weight loss supplements may support general wellness or help with appetite management in certain individuals, there is currently no strong evidence showing that SlimPic itself can produce the dramatic transformations often featured in marketing materials. Another concern is the use of phrases such as doctor, recommended, clinically proven, and VA approved, which can sound impressive but may not necessarily mean the product has undergone rigorous testing for weight loss effectiveness. Some promotional campaigns also feature endorsements, testimonials, and before and after photos that appear unusually perfect, making it difficult to verify their authenticity. Reports from consumers suggest mixed experiences, with some users claiming little to no noticeable results despite following the recommended usage instructions. There are also complaints involving recurring billing, subscription programs, and unexpected upsells that customers say were not clearly explained during the purchase process. Additionally, similar products with nearly identical marketing approaches have appeared under different brand names, raising further concerns about transparency. Based on the available information, SlimPic does not appear to be a miracle solution, but neither can it automatically be labeled a scam solely because it is heavily marketed. The real results most people achieve are still likely to depend on proven factors such as calorie control, nutrition, physical activity, consistency, and overall lifestyle habits rather than any single supplement alone. Anyone considering SlimPic should carefully review the claims, read the terms of purchase, and maintain realistic expectations before making a decision.